just drank a whole bottle of water. We're gonna be doing a DIY today. So I gotta be hydrated because it's hot in Texas. It's hot, okay? It's like too hot. I'm dying. I'll go outside. I get sunburned, like immediately. Anyways, hey YouTube, it's me, Jen. Today we're going to be doing a DIY. My brother bought one of these things. I don't know where he got it from, but it's been sitting on his front porch for I don't know how long. Every time I go over, I just see it laying there. It's not even hung up. And so I asked him, hey, can I do something with it? And he said, yeah. So today we're gonna figure out something to do with it. I'm thinking, what I'm thinking is I'm going to maybe put a stain around the edge and then draw out some stars with a torch and then have the Texas flag, blue, red and white, and then the star in the Texas. Pretty simple. Maybe write a, I want to maybe use some twine or something on this and say howdy or God bless Texas. Those are my thoughts. Let's go to the store, see what they have. If they have what I need, then if they don't have what I need, then I'll just do what I gotta do with what I got. And that is my philosophy of the day. Do what you do. Do what you gotta do. Wait. I don't know. All right, let's get started. Okay, so let me just show you what I got. I have a blue exterior paint, and these are actually like paint sample sizes, but it's for exterior painting, and this was only like $3 each, so that was pretty awesome. 12 bucks for all these paints, and it's gonna be more than enough for this project, so I can use it for maybe some other projects too. I have the blue that I got was an Admiral Blue. The red that I got is called Firecracker Red. And then the white, I was thinking I didn't want just like pitch white. I wanted it to be more subtle, kind of rustic or weathered. And so I got Authentic Tan, but now that I'm looking at it, I think it might be a little too tan, but too late now. There's no going back. I already bought the paints, so I'm just gonna go with it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is section this out. I'm just gonna try to go straight down from the handle all the way straight down. So I'm just gonna guesstimate and maybe draw another line here. Okay. Today I'm using a Colonial Maple transparent stain. Honestly, I thought that it would be a lot lighter and less orange, but you know what? My brother likes orange and it reminds me of UT, and my brother loves the University of Texas, so we're just gonna go with it.
Right now I am freehanding a star. You don't have to do it freehand. You could easily just print out a star from the internet, cut it out, and then just use that as your stencil. And then I went in with the Admiral Blue, the Firecracker Red, taped it off so that I could have perfectly straight lines. And then again, I freehanded the star. It's really hot in Texas, so the paint dries really fast, but I would recommend definitely, like, if you're somewhere else where your paint isn't going to dry, wait at least 24 hours before you go, like, put tape over it. Now I am going over with the twine, and I am just taping it down in place to where I feel like it looks good. I decided I'm going to go with God Bless Texas on this, and if you don't like the twine, then you don't have to use the twine. And if I was making this for myself, I would probably do it a lot more girly, maybe with some, what's it called, burlap ribbons, and maybe some flowers, or you know, I don't know, something more girly, but it's for my brother. And we moved inside because there was this huge killer bee outside, and it landed on my leg, and I freaked out, and so we moved inside. Alright, it's a good thing. I used tape to put the words in place how I wanted it to, and if I didn't like it, you just find the way you like it, and if you don't like it, just take the tape off and restart again, and then go in with the hot glue gun and put it down in place permanently. I used a popsicle stick to wipe any excess glue so that there wasn't just big blobs under the letters. And I also wrapped the star with the twine as well. So this is very customizable, and you can make it any way that you want. You could even not paint the Texas as a Texas flag if you don't want to. Here's just my ideas that I had.
And there we have it. God bless Texas. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it gave you some inspiration and ideas to do for your own house decor, maybe for your own state if you're not in Texas. If you do, make sure to comment down below, tag a picture of whatever DIY you do on Instagram. And here's the final finished product. I think it looks pretty awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.